There's a window in the used car market that most buyers walk right past. It's the window where depreciation has already done its damage, where a vehicle has lost 70% of its sticker price, but the engine and transmission still have 200,000 miles of life left in them. Mechanics know exactly which vehicles sit in that window, and when they have $10,000 to $15,000 of their own money to spend, they go straight to 5 specific models. Today, those 5 models, specific years, specific engines, and the one thing to check before you buy each one. Let's go. Every SUV on this list had to pass 3 criteria. 1. Currently findable in the US used market for under $15,000 with a clean history. 2. Documented real-world examples past 250,000 miles on original engine and transmission with nothing more than scheduled maintenance. 3. A catastrophic failure rate below industry average before 200,000 miles, confirmed by mechanic forums, consumer reports data, and owner records. 5 vehicles made the cut. SUV #5, Honda CR-V 2007-2011. Number 5 is one of the most underrated used SUV purchases in the country right now. The Honda CR-V 2007-2011 with the K24Z1 2.4-liter 4-cylinder. The K-Series Honda engine is one of the most documented high-mileage power plants in automotive history. Not because Honda marketed it that way, because owners proved it. Forums are full of examples of this exact engine crossing 300,000 miles on nothing more than oil changes and a timing chain service. The practical reality right now, you can find a clean 2009 CR-V with under 120,000 miles for $9,000 to $11,000. That is a vehicle with potentially 200,000 miles of life left in it for the price most people spend on a weekend trip to Vegas. One thing to check before you buy: if the vehicle spent time in a northern state, get underneath it and look at the frame. The engine holds up everywhere, but road salt can attack the undercarriage. A $100 pre-purchase inspection will confirm or rule that out in 20 minutes. SUV #4, Lexus RX 330 2004-2006. Number 4 is where this list gets uncomfortable for new car salespeople. The Lexus RX 330 2004-2006 with a 3MZ 3.3-liter V6. This is a genuine luxury SUV, Napa leather, wood trim, a ride quality that crosses into sedan territory, and right now you can buy one for under $13,000. Lexus builds to Toyota mechanical standards, then adds a layer of refinement on top. The 3MZ V6 is a shared platform engine with a strong long-term reliability record. Consumer Reports has rated first and second generation RX models above average for dependability consistently for over a decade. Real-world owner data, examples crossing 250,000 miles on original powertrain, are not exceptional. They're the norm. The most common owner complaints at high mileage: squeaky brakes and worn interior trim. Not engine failure. Not transmission issues. Squeaky brakes. The comment that gets the most likes every time this vehicle comes up in a used car forum. Am I the only one who thinks a $13K Lexus RX is a smarter buy than a $30,000 brand new crossover? The data says no. You are not alone. And the mechanics agree. 2 down, 3 to go. Number 3 is the one most people overlook because of its size, and that oversight is costing buyers tens of thousands of dollars. Number 1 is the vehicle mechanics buy for their own families when no one is watching. Stay with me. SUV #3, Toyota Sequoia 2001-2007. Number 3 is the one that surprises people, the Toyota Sequoia 2001-2007 with a 2UZ 4.7-liter V8, full size, body on frame. 3rd row seating for 8, a V8 engine, and right now findable for $10,000 to $14,000. The 2UZ V8 is the same engine family found in the Land Cruiser and the Tundra, 2 platforms with documented examples crossing 400,000 miles on original powertrains. Mechanics place this engine in their top 5 most reliable V8s ever put into a production vehicle. Real owner report: bought a 2005 Sequoia with 180,000 miles for $9,500. It's now at 290,000 miles. I've replaced a water pump, 2 sets of brakes, and 4 tires. That's it. That is not an outlier. That is the consistent owner experience with this engine. The honest trade-off, you're getting 15 to 17 mpg combined. This is a body-on-frame V8. It was never designed for fuel efficiency. If that's acceptable to your life, what you're getting in return is near bulletproof mechanical reliability at a price most people spend on a base trim Honda Civic. That is an extraordinary trade. SUVs Tag 2, Toyota RAV4 2006, 2012. Number 2 is the one the internet already knows about, and it's still the right answer, the Toyota RAV4. 2006 to 2012, with the 2AZF 2.4-liter 4-cylinder. Every mechanic forum, every reliability survey, every what should I buy for under $15K thread leads to the same answer, the RAV4. The 2AZF 4-cylinder has a near-flawless catastrophic failure record before 200,000 miles, timing chain instead of a timing belt, no expensive belt service interval, naturally aspirated, no turbocharger complexity, parts availability that keeps repair costs low even when something eventually needs attention. The one thing to know, some 2006 to 2008 examples had an oil consumption issue. The fix is straightforward, run full synthetic, change it every 5,000 miles, and check the oil level every other fill up. Do that consistently, and this engine will outlast your expectations. Currently available, clean 2010 to 2012 RAV4 under 100,000 miles, $11,000 to $14,500. That is textbook smart used car math. SUV #1, Toyota 4Runner 2003-2006. Number 1 is the vehicle mechanics buy for themselves. The Toyota 4Runner 2003 to 2006 with the 1GR FE 4.0-liter V6. Body on frame, not a crossover, not a unibody car wearing an SUV badge. A truck-based platform engineered for exactly the kind of punishment that exposes weaknesses in other vehicles and finds none here. The 1GR FE V6 is an engine Toyota carried forward in its core architecture for nearly 20 years because there was no engineering reason to change what wasn't breaking. Documented 4Runner examples at 300,000 miles are not rare. At 350,000, not unusual. At 400,000, they exist, and those owners are not surprised. What separates the 4Runner is not just longevity, it's longevity under real stress. Off-road, extreme weather, towing, hauling. The use cases that expose engineering weaknesses in other platforms simply do not expose them here. Mechanic consensus. If you hand a seasoned mechanic $15,000 and say, find me something that will still be running in 10 years, a majority come back with a 4Runner. The current reality, clean examples under $15,000 require patience, but they are out there, and they are worth the search. 5 SUVs, under $15,000, built to run another 200,000 miles. The Honda Key RV, the Lexus RX 330, the Toyota Sequoia, the Toyota RAV4, and the Toyota 4Runner. Now here's what I want from you. Drop your current SUV and your current mileage in the comments. Let's see who in this community is already pushing into the 300,000 mile club. And if you want to know which SUVs at this same price point are the biggest money pits, the ones that look clean on a lot and destroy your bank account 6 months later, that video is next. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.